If monthly charges of Shopify is actually something which is holding you back to kickstart your dropshipping or your print on demand business, then I have something for you. So in this video, I'm gonna reveal you a free alternative to Shopify, which will help you to build a website with zero monthly cost. So you don't need to pay any monthly fees for this alternative. So if you're someone who really want a better alternative so that you don't need to worry about any monthly expenses, then this video is for you. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to give you some free resources which will help you to kickstart or to start your print on demand business. So let's dive in. So welcome to this video, and if you're totally new to my channel, my name is Vinu. I'm the founder of Ecommerce Hub, and I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people attain freedom and to build the next breed of e-com entrepreneurs from India. So if you're totally new to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below this video. And so in this video, I'm gonna reveal you a free alternative so that you don't need to worry about any monthly charges for hosting your website, or like if you look at Shopify, you need to pay a monthly fees of at least $29 every single month. But the free alternatives which I'm gonna give you today will blow your mind away. So before starting on, let me also tell you that like Shopify is actually a really amazing platform uh, to host your e-commerce website. All right, so but if you're someone who is looking for a free alternative, so you don't need to bear the monthly expenses charged by Shopify. If you look at Shopify, you can actually save at least $29 every single month. Okay, so that's why we are actually bringing this particular video. So if you look at, so before starting out, let me also walk you through what are the pros and cons of Shopify. So what are the benefits and the disadvantages when you face while using Shopify. So let's start with the pros of Shopify. So if you look at the first one, which is user friendly interface. So everybody know that like Shopify is actually very easy to set up. Like the building a Shopify store, like a website, e-commerce website is actually become very simple after the with Shopify. So you don't need any coding skill. Like it is totally beginner friendly, and you don't need any technical skills to build a e-commerce website. You can literally build a e-commerce website with Shopify in around like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. The second one is it is easy to understand, like it is having a very user friendly interface. Like it is very easy to understand what are the what do you actually need to do, all these stuff. And it handles all the tech parts, the downtime of the website or the hackers, like everything will be covered if you are going with Shopify. And the fourth one is top notch customer support. They have a really amazing customer support. And the fourth one is they have a massive collection of app store. Like you can literally install those apps into your website. All right, so now let's look at what are the cons, what are the demerits, what are the disadvantages of Shopify. So the first one is recurring monthly charges. You need to pay like the basic plan starts at $29 per month. So you need to pay at least $29 per month. That will be an recurring monthly charges. Second one, since if you're someone who is starting from India, if you're gonna do it from India, then you won't be able to access the Shopify payments. You need to either go through PayPal or Stripe. So if you are using a third party payment gateway, then you need to pay minimum 2% transaction fees. The third one is expensive payment gateway fees. Like if you are if you are using Stripe or PayPal, like they will be also charging some fees for collecting money from your customers. Fourth one, third party apps carries a monthly charges. Like not only the Shopify is actually charging the monthly fees, there are most of the apps in Shopify store will be paid apps. Like like for example, if you want to go with a upsell app, so one click upsell app, one click upsell by Shopify. So this is also a paid app. So that will be an extra cost. So the fifth one, which is uh, all these expenses, like that charges actually it basically are your profit it is. This will have a really impact on your profits. So uh, now I'm gonna show you the free alternative to Shopify with zero monthly fees and a perfect solution for all these, like 5 points. It is called the chip. All right, so I'm gonna give you the link of chip below this video, so you can literally, check out this video, description of this video, and you'll be able to find that particular link, so that just click on the link, and you will be able to create an account for absolutely for free. All you need to do is like just buy a domain from that platform. That is all you needed. Okay, so once you purchase a domain, and there is no other charges, you will be able to host your website, everything for absolutely for free. So if you look at the, if you look at the chip, there is no recurring monthly charges, there is no transaction fees, no need for third party apps. Everything is inbuilt, even the upsells, cross sells, frequently bought, all this stuff are actually inbuilt. You don't need to worry about anything. Okay, so the fourth one is specializes in, it is something built for print on demand and the drop shipping. Okay, so if you look at Shopify, it is for in the entire, e-commerce space. But if you look at chip, it is it specializes only for the printer POD and the drop shipping. So it has lot of features other than, Shopify, and it is very easy to set up. Like Shopify, it is also very easy to set up a creative store. Uploading products, everything is literally simple. So make sure that you check the description of the video, and you can literally create an account, a chip account right now itself. Like, it is absolutely for free. So now let me come to the point, like why chip is actually better than Shopify. So so if you look at the first one, chip is actually, cheaper than Shopify because there is no monthly charges. So you don't need to worry about, what the monthly payment you need to pay every single month to Shopify. Like, you can literally, you can cut short that expense. Two, chip does not charge any, transaction fee. They use their own, their own payment gateway, so you don't need to worry about all these transaction fees. So, so if you look at Shopify, the basic plan, if you're into basic plan, $29 plan, then you need to pay at least 2% of your the revenue. Okay, so let's say you got a sale of, let's say, 1,000 rupees. So sorry, $1,000. Then you need to pay almost like $20 for as the transaction fees. So you can literally save that particular amount. Third one is like no third party payment provider required. Okay, so you don't need any PayPal or or Stripe account, or everything is been handled by chip itself. You don't need to worry about all these payment providers. Fourth one is like better profitability, since you don't need to, you can cut short all these charges. Your profitability really increases. And inbuilt apps for print on demand. Okay, so what is like, if you are using Shopify, you need to either install like Printify, or all these fulfillment partners like Printify, Sport, Fuel, all this stuff. But if you're using chip, you don't need to worry about that. Like, chip will actually, once you get the order, chip will directly, print the t-shirt, or or the hoodie, or whatever the product it is. They will just print it and, ship it for you. You don't need to worry about anything else. And also upsell apps, cross apps, everything, you don't need to worry about that. Like, it is actually inbuilt in chip itself, so that, there is no monthly charges on apps. So you can literally save a lot of money on that as well. And the best part is, another cool factor is that it is having a direct integration with AliExpress. So if you want to sell a drop shipping product, you just need to, copy the product link and paste it in chip. Like, all the, the reviews, every single thing will be important to chip, and you can start selling from chip website itself. So then, fulfillment and the shipping is taken by chip. Even if it is a drop shipping product, you don't need to worry about that. The fulfillment and the shipping is completely taken care of by chip itself. You just focus on the marketing and the profitability. You don't need to worry about the fulfillment, anything. Then, and the cool factor is that they provide a unique telephone support for your customers. Like, once you set up your website, like you will be provided a telephonic number. So once a customer calls that a particular number, like chip representative will be talking in the name of your your store, your let's say your store name is actually ABC cart. Okay, so if someone calls on that particular number which is provided on your website, so like chip person will talk in the name of like, okay, thank you for calling ABC cart, something like that. Okay, so and you don't need to worry about that, like they will be taking care of, like chip team will be taking care of it. So that is something which I haven't seen any other platform, something which is no one else actually doing it. And the last one is actually email and telephonic support is taken care by the chip. Even the email customer, like the entire customer support part is actually taken care by the chip itself. So you don't need to worry about anything else, like just focus on the marketing and the profitability. Then, so talking about the the support you're gonna get, why if you are using chip. So chip is actually they have a really strong customer supports team. They are very strong and they are excellent. And another cool thing is that you can actually book a free 30 minutes one-on-one session with a chip expert. Okay, so let's say if you're having an issue with building a chip store, like the expert from chip team will actually you can book a call with the chip expert and they will give you a one-on-one call with you, and to they will help you to create a chip store. For example, if you are, let's say, if you are actually struggling with your Facebook ads. Okay, so if you want to book call a if you want to book a call with a Facebook ads expert, marketing expert, so you can definitely click book a call with them, and they will be giving a free it. And it is, the best part is that it is absolutely for free and it is one-on-one. So that is actually the best part if you're if you're using chip. And the third thing is that you're gonna get free access to their Facebook VIP group. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description as well to join the chip Facebook group as well. So it is absolutely for free, and you can literally post all your support related questions in there. So people, the chip team will respond to you with that, and you will be able to find solution for all the problems if you face any problems. And another cool thing is that they started creating mini course inside the Facebook group to educate who are coming to the chip. So you're gonna get a free mini course, okay, inside the Facebook group. So make sure that you join the Facebook group of chip today itself, so that you can get this free mini course inside the Facebook group. It is not actually a mini course, like it is actually vast, like they are actually providing a lot of value, and which is absolutely for free. So make sure that you check out that today itself. So if you have any questions related to chip, make sure that you comment below, and I will be happy to reply you with that. And if you want to create a chip store, make sure that you hit on the check the link in the description, and you'll be able to find it. And so since you have watched till this point, so I want to give you some free gift. So check out this link, vinusomarajan.com/free. You will be able to download a lot of free guides on about print on demand or drop shipping, Facebook ads, all these stuff. So it is absolutely for free. Make sure that you check out this link, vinusomarajan.com/free. And if you're someone who want to level up your ecom game and who really want a premium membership, then you can check out www.askvinu.com/join. So right now I have opened the slot for few more members. So right now we are having a special offer for all of you. So just check out this link as well, askvinu.com/join, and you'll be able to know the details in that. So that's it from my side. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hit the like button. And if you have any questions, make sure that you comment below, and I will be happy to help you by replying those comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And so I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thank you so much.